Hey everybody, it's Erin from theyouthmethod.com and I'm here to share a super delicious detox smoothie with you. I'm very excited to share this with you. So just like so many of my other recipes, this is really delicious, but it's really going to help you to detoxify your body. There's a bunch of amazing superfoods in this smoothie that are going to increase your metabolism, improve your energy, give you clearer, more beautiful skin, and help balance your hormones, all while just helping to detox your body because of the wonderful ingredients that are in this. So I promise to post the recipe below the video as well, so you have it there in case you don't have time to listen to the whole video. But we'll get right to it because it's just delicious. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. I'll put that right in my blender here. And then we're gonna go on to, make sure it's unsweetened. You don't want any extra sugar. And then we're gonna go on to 1 cup of spinach. Now, mine is fresh spinach. You can use frozen spinach as well, but I really prefer the fresh. You don't even taste it in this, I promise. So we're gonna add the spinach next. And then I have 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Now, honestly, you can really use any berry you want, but I love strawberries. Blueberries are another wonderful low sugar fruit that have so many amazing antioxidants in it. I was just in the mood for strawberries today. So I'm gonna put a cup of that in the smoothie as well. And then we're gonna you can do 1 of 2 things here. So a lot of times I'll juice 1 lemon and put the juice in there, but I am loving essential oils. And a lot of times I don't have a lemon on hand, so it's really nice to have essential oils on hand. I particularly love doTERRA essential oils. I just think they're super high quality. I love them. So that is that. And you'll notice this is very potent, so you don't want to put too much in. It's very strong tasting, so just 1 to 2 drops is plenty, and that'll really give you the taste of a full lemon. So I'm just gonna put 1, 2 drops in there. That will be delicious. So the next ingredient we're going to use is the raw cacao. So this is 1 tablespoon of raw cacao. It has so many amazing antioxidants in it to help decrease inflammation. It tastes amazing, so I use it in a lot of stuff. So that's 1 tablespoon. It'll give it a nice chocolatey taste. And then you're gonna you can do 1 of 2 things here as well. You're gonna use 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, or you can use 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to add some protein. If you like to use protein powder, I absolutely love Organifi. It's one of my favorites. I'll put a link to this below the video too if you want to check it out. Okay, so then the next 2 ingredients are optional, but I love them. So I usually love to do just like a pinch or a dash of cinnamon, because cinnamon is actually also an anti-inflammatory and has been shown to help decrease blood sugar levels. So I'm just gonna do like a dash of that. And for those of you that have that sweet tooth out there, you can put a little bit of stevia. I'm only gonna put 1 drop. So that is the delicious superfood detox smoothie. So I'm gonna mix it up. So give me just a second. It'll be loud. I'll try to spare you too much noise, and then I'll show you it in the pretty cup. Okay, so we are done now. It's all mixed in my handy Vitamix blender. Oh, and I should mention that this is a recipe for 1, so if you were making it for 2, you'd want to double it. So it looks super chocolatey. Oh, and the other thing, you could also use vanilla protein powder if you wanted to, is fine, and skip the cacao altogether. But I love cacao, so why would you? And wait until you see how yummy and delicious this looks. So there is your yummy chocolate, super delicious detox smoothie that tastes like it's not good for you. So I hope you try this because it's so yummy. Like I said, it's just got all these healing foods in it that are gonna help to decrease inflammation, which in turn helps to decrease your aches and pains, give you clear skin, balances your hormones, all the things we want. So I hope you really try it. And if you want a full plan that helps you enjoy delicious food just like this and still lose weight, be sure to check out my 72-hour flat belly detox. There's a link to that below. It's absolutely free. And I'll also have a link below for a free personalized wellness plan for you. Gives you questions on how I can help you live your most healthy life. And it also answers a few questions about the essential oils, like we use the lemon in today's recipe. Be sure to subscribe below, or you can also subscribe right here, so then you'll get notified of all of my videos when I post them. So we will see you guys next time.